Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my channel, Artfolio Gallery. In today's video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of mastering pencil shading of a kid's AR. If you're new to my channel or a beginner in the world of art, I highly recommend checking out episode 7, where we cover essential shading techniques with pencils. You can find the link in the description box below. Step 1. Basic ear shape. Let's start by lightly sketching the basic shape of a child's ear. Please note that children's ears are typically smaller and have a softer appearance. Step 2. Outer ear. Draw the outer shape of the ear, which should be round and gently curved. Note that kids' ears often have a more pronounced earlobe. Step 3. Inner ear details. Sketch the inner ear details, including the helix, outer rim, and the anti-helix, inner rim. Add the tragus, small cartilage in front of the ear, and the anti-tragus, opposite to the tragus. Step 4. Ear canal. Draw the ear canal entrance within the ear. Keep the lines soft and delicate to reflect the child's ear characteristics. Step 5. Shading in depth. Begin shading around the ear to create depth. Focus on the shadows and contours, especially around the folds and creases. Step 6. Highlights and texture. Add highlights to the ear to give it a natural, three-dimensional look. Create a subtle texture by adding tiny lines to mimic the fine details of a child's ear. Step 7. Refinement. Review your sketch and refine any details, ensuring symmetry and proportion. Maintain the soft, gentle appearance of a child's ear. Step 8. Final touches. Add any final touches, such as adjusting shadows or highlights. Erase any unwanted lines or smudges. That's it for today, friends. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and leaving a comment down below.